Just about 1 year ago, we saw technology from Xiaomi named Xiaomi Supercharged Turbo, which could charge in 100 watts. And Xiaomi also claimed that it could charge a 4000 mAh battery in just 17 minutes. But the problem with that charging technology was it never made into the market. Now, after 1 year, there is update to that story. And now in this video, we are seeing a 120-watt charging solution from Xiaomi charger. And one good news about this is it's not a leak or something, it's a hands-on video, so we may expect this charger to hit the market really soon. So this charger can charge from 15 watt and moving up to 120 watt as well. In this still image, we can see that it moves from 5 volt 3 ampere to 11 volt 6 ampere to 20 volt 5 ampere and the maximum 20 volt 6 amperes. And also we can see the hands-on video, which also proves somewhat that this may launch very soon in the future. And previously they claimed that they would charge the smartphone of 4000 mAh capacity in around 17 minutes. And now it's expected that this one can charge a 4000 mAh battery in just 13 minutes. So this is insanely fast charging time. I don't know how they're going to implement it, maybe like Oppo does by splitting the battery, but that is going to be the topic for another video. This is all for today. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to support the channel. And this is all for today. Hope to see you in the next one. Till my next video, peace.